Jared Wheeler. I'm an application engineer with 4D Technology. We're here today to do a kind of a overview training for the 4D InSpec with a focus on feature analysis or more defect analysis, bits and scratches and jet engine turbine MRO environments. The training is going to cover pretty much everything in the software, everything in the hardware, like 95% of it. If there's anything you need that's more specific, more not general, we do have specific training videos online that can go over individual parts of the software. Hardware is pretty simple. We have a head, we have a computer, and then we have what connects both together. So we actually have what's called a PoE brick, a power over Ethernet. So right here we have two Ethernet connections. The black one in this case, it can be green on most systems too. It says power and data on the connection, and then the one that just says data, this one goes to the back of the computer. If you switch these, it won't work. If it's done correctly, there will be a green light on the PoE brick that lights up. If you need better images of this is in the first few pages of the manual too, you can look up. The head itself, so it's a light-based system, it's a blue LED. It is eye safe. You still probably don't want it shining in your eye because it is bright, but it is eye safe technically. This focus stick on the end is not required to have. This is just to help you hold it in the focus position. So since it is an optical instrument, for this instrument it's 50 millimeters away, the standoff distance, or 2 inches. For the smaller system it's 35 millimeters or 1.5 inches. And the standoff just helps you place it at the focus position immediately. So the focus stick, it holds it 50 millimeters away. The reason it's important, you don't have to use it again, but the focus range, the XL is a little bigger. It's about 9 millimeters or 8 millimeters. The smaller system has a focus range of 2.5 millimeters or 100 thou. So you can hold it steady with your hand, but it's easier with the focus stick just to place on the part immediately and get data. But it's pretty straightforward. I'll do a quick demo first. So this is a part with a bunch of pits and scratches on it in various locations. Place this one here. Place the blue light over the area of interest. Look on the live video screen, and you'll see some pits appear. And the big thing here, so go back and break it brighter. And then obviously you have data on the right, and I'll go into that soon. But on the right with the live video, the only thing you have to really keep in mind when doing this is that you want green. So green is focused. So it's pretty simple. Green is focused, yellow is partly focused, still get data, but it won't be quite as accurate. And then no color is no focus. So go back to green. Now, something to keep in mind, it doesn't matter the orientation, it doesn't matter the angle. The angle, it doesn't matter as long as you keep it within the range of the instrument. So if you angle so much that the defect is not within the 9 millimeter focus range, but small angles do not affect the data input.